Hello everyone, welcome to A for Azure. In this video, we'll be walking you through the process of creating an Azure account and the different types of sign up accounts available. We are in week 1 of Azure Fundamentals, where we will talk about how we can create an Azure account and explore billing and help options. To create an Azure account, we have two options available where we can go for free trial, which is absolutely free for 12 months with a $200 credit for initial 30 days. The other option is to go for pay as you go, where you start paying from day one. So let's go to the sign up page of Azure and see how we can sign up for the Azure services. So first we head over to the Azure website and click on the start free button. And you can see that we have two options, start free and pay as you go. So we'll click on the start free and open that in the new tab. This will take you to the Azure sign up page. Here you will need to enter your personal information such as your name, email address and phone number. Or if you have an existing Outlook or Live account, you can log in with that account. So for example, I have created a trial account which I'm going to use here, and then I'll put my password. And in this account, I have not done any configuration. It's just a very brand new account. And as soon we log in with that account, it will take you to the free sign up page where it is giving you a prompt to accept the agreement, where it's saying, do you agree the customer agreement? Would you like to receive information, tips, and would you like to Microsoft to share information with the selected partners? Once you select those options, you click on next. Now you have to verify your identity by card. So we need to have a credit card here because it does not accept a prepaid card. So you will see that we need to enter our card holder name, card number, expiry, CVV, address, and country and region. So I'll post the video here so that I can fill this information and take you to the next page. After providing the payment information and verifying your identity by entering your card details and verification code that was sent to your phone, once you have validated your identity, your account will be created. Now that you have an Azure account, you can see this is how you log in. You will go to portal.azure.com on the browser, hit enter. It will prompt you for your username and password. Since I'm already logged into the portal, it will take me directly to my tenant and my subscription. So I have some credits initially been given under the training account, which is the MSTN account. And you can see my credentials up here. And this is my dashboard here. So before I move forward and take you through the Azure portal, I would like to come back to the sign up page and show you the other option, which is pay as you go. So, assuming that you have used your free trial account for 30 days and you have enjoyed the services and you have created some resources, now you would like to continue with the same subscription and all those resources, you have an option to switch to pay as you go, where you will continue to enjoy your free popular services for the initial 12 months. But then anything that you use beyond that, you can pay for it and use as much as you would like. So we can click here with get started and sign up with pay as you go. And it will take us through the same set of options where it's asking me to accept the agreement. And then it will ask me to provide the tax information, payment information, service usage address, where my billing should be, and if I need any technical support or not. And then I can click on sign up and it will move my free subscription to pay as you go subscription. So on the right hand side, you can still see that I only pay for what I use beyond those free amount of services which are available for the initial period of 12 months. So it's good to know information. So now we'll move back to the dashboard and we'll see how we can provision our services and navigate through the portal.